Hi traders, welcome to Trade with Asim and Sajjad. Today I'm going to talk about one amazing technical indicator which is called VWAP. VWAP stands for volume weighted average price. It's just like a moving average, but its price is multiplied with volume. That's why it gives more precise average price. If you are not using any charting software, you can find live charts at our website. In the menu session, you can go for the live charts and you will find any chart you want. So let's begin how we apply VWAP on any chart. We are here on Euro Dollar 1 hour time frame. VWAP is only available for 1 minute to 4 hour time frames. You cannot use it on daily time frame. So let's begin. At the top, you go for indicators. Click on indicators and you write VWAP. We click on this indicator. So you can see we have a VWAP here. It's just like any other moving average, but it's more weighted and it gives you precise average price. There are few different strategies to use VWAP. VWAP can be used separately, while it can also be used with some other helping indicators. First, we go with the VWAP alone. If we can squeeze the chart and we just back test, we will see that whenever the price is above VWAP, it's bullish, and whenever it's below VWAP, it's bearish. The best way to use VWAP is you need to have a look at price action. Whenever it breaks above VWAP, you can go for a call or buy, and whenever it breaks below VWAP, you can enter a short or a sell trade. If you are entering into a sell trade here, for stop loss you need to have a stop loss above the previous high, at least 5 pips to 10 pips. While for take profit, you need to have your own target, or you can have a target of previous low or previous support. While in the buy trade, if you are entering at this level, you need to have a stop loss below this. While for take profit, you can have your own target, or you can go for a previous resistance level, or even you can close when it comes back and crosses VWAP, then you can close this trade manually. So if we can add a volume indicator, you will have a better look. We need to click on indicator. We will type volume. When we click volume, what is volume? Volume is actually the number of shares or contracts of entire market. So it shows the real strength of the market or the volume of the market, how many traders entered that time. When we see a bigger volume, it means that many traders are interested to buy. While in a bearish trend, if we see a bigger volume, it means many sellers are interested to sell the market. Even by looking at the volume sizes, you can understand and you can decide when is the best time to enter the market and when is the time to exit. I would recommend if you can use another indicator which is called MACD. Hopefully you are familiar with that. Let me select from indicators. We type MACD. So we got MACD here. If we can combine all these three indicators together, so whenever we see there's a bigger drop and bigger volume and also convergence at MACD, it confirms our analysis and we can enter into a trade with much surety. We will see few more convergence and volume. Here you can see right here, then at this level, right here, here. You can also backtest. So whenever you see a bigger volume, there's definitely a convergence and you can see a bigger drop or bigger rally. So it just confirms your analysis. So basically VWAP helps you in making a precise decision when to enter, where to exit, and where should be your stop loss. So traders, you can backtest this strategy on different pairs with different time frames. Once you master this strategy, you will exactly know where to enter and when to enter. You can also use it on 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 30 minutes, or you can use it on 1 hour and 4 hour time frames. So guys, that's all about our video. If you have any questions, kindly write in comments. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you with a new video. Until then, take care and bye.